All right, here's the analysis on 9257 Southwest Martha Street in Tigard. All right, looks like we have a pretty unique property here. 9257 Southwest Martha Street. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,110 square feet. But the special part of this property, it is an attached home. So we don't see that a lot. We see a lot of attached homes, but not with no HOA fees, which is quite unique in itself. So, having and this is older, so 1984 is kind of where this one is pretty unique. So let's go and search. I did a search already, so these are 6 months ago, and in 151 is the code for Tigard. In fact, I'll go to Beaverton and Tigard. I don't know if I'll go all the way to. This is also attached homes, which is unique, and no HOA, which is unique. So let's see how many 53 come back. So let's go to a more selective month, which is 3 months. The past 3 months. Let's see where values are going. 34. All right, so number of homes is 34. Looks like there's some in Beaverton, kind of in this price range as well. So attached is Neptune Court with no HOA at 1,436 square feet, and these are running the 389 to 400, which is pretty much the same. So let's look at these conditions. So not too bad. Let me grow these here. So Neptune. Yeah, so these actually look pretty good. They are not one level though. So if you are specifically hounding on a one level, this might not be it for you. But it's vacant. Yeah, it is newer. It's been on the market for 10 days, so it's longer. But this is a 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath. So a little less, but square footage wise, I think it has more square footage, 1,436. Okay, so there's this option. Okay, which is not bad actually. Let me see where this location is. Okay, it's right off of Hart and. Okay, yeah. So this is really pretty good. I would say pretty good comparable. Let's do. Okay, these are a little bit more east, but I mean, let's just compare. Yeah, I mean, look at this. This one's really nice. 400,000, and this is attached as well, with no HOA fees. Okay, so these are running in the 400s, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Let's go with sales. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. So this looks like a single level. Let's see if it is. Not really. Oh, it's got some stairs. Okay, so and I'm just kind of formulating a value for something smaller. Okay, so here's something smaller just like ours. So 1202, 407 on Chelan, 921. Okay, so this is very similar. I would say their kitchen is more updated than your kitchen, as well as some features throughout the house. So, and it's got this nice yard. Okay. Yeah. So 1202. This is very similar. List price was at 350, but then it's finally sold at 407. So that had multiple offers. That's the address. This is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, which is very simple, similar to ours. Okay, that's kind of the price point that we're probably looking in. This is Sherwood, Tigard. Okay, so this is 1488. So what's the difference here? 488. Oh yeah, this is just a lot nicer and bigger. Okay, so this has a two-tiered deck as well. All right, and this one went in 7 days, and it went 40,000 above. So, yeah, I don't know if it's compared to this one. This one's quite nice. This one's built in 2000. So, all right, let's go by sheer size here. It's like 1307, 1238, 1473. I mean, these are all good candidates. I think the value of the property is actually pretty close to where, yeah, to where this is at 3999. I do think the valuation is pretty close there. I think someone may offer for it. I think it's right at that edge of $399. I would say if you really wanted it, maybe 410, 415 should do the job. But again, in this crazy market, who knows? But I think a 415 offer would be pretty competitive in this market for that product. So hopefully that helps. I could send you this list of homes that have recently sold here as well. Okay? I'll send it with the link. Thank you.